Okay, today we'll be resetting oil life maintenance on a 2014 Ford Escape. So this one has the buttons here. Up here it comes up. But this wouldn't work because it does not have the option in the buttons. So what we're gonna need to do is to put the ignition key to the on position. And you press the gas pedal and the brakes pedal down together. Okay, so when you do that, this pops up: service oil reset in progress. It's gonna probably last for about a minute. And there you go, oil reset completed. Pretty simple. That's it. Just release your feet from the brake pedal and the gas pedal, and that's how easy it is to reset the oil life maintenance on this 2014 Ford Edge. Meet the Mohammeds. Keep following us for more.